Thank you.
Bye. He's got a Corvette. He should have brought it.
I know.
Oh. All right, Sam's the only one on the track.
Dang right. We get the VIP experience.
I better take a picture too. Dude, they go what, 200 miles an hour on that?
Yep.
That's insane, dude.
I can't believe Daddy had his old dinky Civic on here.
We're going 65.
Oh, he's cool.
He's going.
Right before he came, I'm like, don't be afraid to hit the gas.
He said he had to follow road rules with quotations.
We're going 80.
I couldn't imagine going 200 miles an hour.
Oh, I know.
I would puke. Going 80. How did the tires feel? Grippy?
I'm going 90.
Yes, sir.
But what's going to clinch it?
Woohoo! There you go. Turn into it. Keep it. There you go. We're good. Heck yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's going 100.
Heck yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Just keep into it. There you go. Woohoo! Oh, I should have brought Suki, man. Stick it in there. Yeah! Woohoo!
No one else today has been able to do this.
I know. There you go. Oh, I wish Suki was here so much. NASCAR. There you go. Heck yeah. Your suspension's getting a workout.
Oh, it is. His is probably getting an even more workout.
For real. Oh, I bet it sounds nice. Oh.
Oh,
It's scary to think how high these crash bars are.
I
They go
know.
freaking flying. Yeah, he was saying there was a big turnout earlier.
I'm sure there was.
But this is better. It's all to ourselves. drifting this. Oh,
That'd be so scary.
Me and Corey, yes, Suki could have been Laura and Suki on
oh, Suki would have been screaming on this. That would have been. Oh, so amazing.
She got away from me for a second.
And punch it. And the crowd goes wild.
That's insane.
Yeah.
This is the last lap.
I don't think Bro has brake lights.
That's what? Him? I think you went more than 5 laps.
I don't know. I wasn't counting.
Because you were only allotted 5 laps.
Yeah.
Were your palms sweaty?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that last lap I went a little bit too fast.
I felt the understeer on that last turn.
Yeah.
I felt that understeer. I find it crazy how like the NASCAR people just, and they're close together too.
I